rainbow runner. We thought it was a tuna, but it fought so hard. I thought it was a huge tuna, and then realized that what it was a big rainbow runner. This is a neat fish.
Wow.
We have a lot of them here. The record's about 30 some odd pounds apparently, but this one's not that big. On a 14 weight, I'm taking everything I got. Beautiful animal. Another one of the species you get here. You know, look at that.
Beautiful
big
fish.
rainbow runner.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a great fish.
Damn, that's a beautiful fish.
And see how hard he hit on this line tip off? These are, remember the jack family, so they're a very strong fish. Pound for pound stronger than tuna for sure.
Beautiful fish.
Isn't it? Oh,
Ready. Hot. Hot.
Oh, are they strong?
Man.
This is a 14 weight, 80-pound tippet. Grande.
Beauty.
Grande. There, my boys. That's a rainbow runner. That's a beautiful fish, and it's so good to eat that we're going to eat this one. We only have one fish in the boat. And that's a rainbow runner. Beautiful animal here in San Agustinillo.